Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here on an awesome beach. Yes, it's a classic Baker Beach in San Francisco with the beautiful Stephanie. Hey. And we're going to be doing some natural light photography. Yes, there is a serious overcast, and we're going to deal with it because we have beautiful outfits, we have a beautiful model, and we're going to have a beautiful time. So, Stephanie, where can they find you on Instagram?
They can find me on Instagram. To my social media. That's my main one, and just follow me there.
What's the name of your Instagram?
Stephanie Ruiz.
Stephanie,
go there and follow me.
And I'm going to leave
all the work.
Oh, what? Oh, to see all your work? Okay. You want to see all the good work, you make sure you go ahead and follow her. And I'm going to leave a link to her profile down below in the description section, so make sure you go check that out. I already shared what gear I'm using, but for those who don't know, I will be using a Nikon Z6III with the 50mm f1.2Z lens, and we're going to do all natural lights. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, post them down below. Let's get to it. There you go. Not just like that. Like that. Push it this way. Yeah. Turn it. Good. Right there. Now, that's like a hoodie, right? So hold it like a hoodie. Good. Right there. Good. Right there. Good. You do like this. Yes. Oh, that's keep that. Put an arch in your back. Yes. Right? Turn your waist. There you go. There you go. But here's the thing. You again, you're modeling most the top. And secondly, turn your waist too. Right? Your knee up higher.